Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OMNICYCLONE Robot Vacuum and Mop. I've looked through the internet, checked early reviews, Reddit discussions, and expert impressions to figure out whether this robot vacuum is actually worth buying or if it's just packed with flashy features that don't fully justify the premium price tag. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest headline feature here is the FocusJet pre-spray system. This is one of the more unique things about the X12 because instead of just dragging a mop across dried stains, it actively sprays water and cleaning solution ahead of the roller mop to loosen stubborn messes first. Multiple early impressions mention that this actually works surprisingly well on dried coffee spots, muddy paw prints, and sticky residue. The mopping system itself is also much more advanced than standard spinning pad robot mops. The OZMO Roller system continuously washes the mop while cleaning, helping reduce dirty streaks and improving deep cleaning performance on hard floors. Reviewers consistently point out that the X12's mopping ability is one of its strongest areas, especially compared to older robot vacuums that mostly just wipe lightly damp cloths across the floor. Suction power is another major selling point. ECOVACS claims up to 22,000 pascal suction, which is extremely high for a robot vacuum. Combined with the ZeroTangle brush system, the X12 is clearly targeting homes with pets, long hair, and heavier debris. Early impressions suggest the new diagonal brush design does help reduce hair tangling compared to older systems. One thing I actually like about this model is the Bagless Omni Station. Most premium robot vacuums still rely on disposable dust bags, but the X12 uses a cyclone-based bagless system instead. That means fewer ongoing consumable costs and less waste over time. Several discussions online specifically praised ECOVACS for finally moving away from disposable bags in a flagship model. The smart features are also very aggressive here. The robot uses AI-assisted navigation, stain detection, room mapping, and adaptive cleaning behavior. It's designed to identify high-traffic areas, avoid obstacles, and even prioritize tougher messes automatically. On paper, this sounds extremely impressive, and when it works properly, the automation level feels very close to a true set-it-and-forget-it experience. Now, the PowerBoost charging system is another practical upgrade, because robot vacuums with large batteries and advanced docks usually take forever to recharge. ECOVACS claims very rapid charging recovery, which helps reduce downtime in larger homes. But now we get to the part that's important, the real-world concerns. While many users praise the cleaning and mopping performance, there are also mixed opinions about the AI navigation system. Some reviews say the AI mode can behave unpredictably, occasionally getting stuck, overcomplicating cleaning routes, or struggling with smaller obstacles and cables. There are also long-standing concerns surrounding ECOVACS reliability and software consistency in the robot vacuum community. Reddit discussions about previous flagship models mention mapping problems, app frustrations, and inconsistent long-term reliability experiences. That doesn't necessarily mean the X12 is unreliable, but it does mean buyers should understand that the software experience can sometimes be less polished compared to competitors like Roborock or Dream. And of course, price is a major factor. This is a premium-tier robot vacuum that competes directly against some of the best robotic cleaners on the market, so expectations are naturally very high. Several reviewers specifically mentioned that while the cleaning technology is impressive, the price may be difficult to justify if the navigation and AI features aren't consistently reliable. After looking through reviews, user discussions, and the actual feature set, I'd say the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OMNICYCLONE is genuinely one of the most technologically ambitious robot vacuums currently available. The FocusJet stain pretreatment system, strong mopping performance, bagless dock, and massive suction power make it feel very advanced, especially for homes with pets, kids, or heavy floor traffic. But at the same time, it's also a premium price product that depends heavily on software reliability and AI navigation consistency to fully justify its cost. If your priority is having one of the most feature-rich and hands-free robotic cleaning systems available today, especially with strong hard floor mopping performance, then yes, I'd say the X12 is definitely worth considering. But if you value absolute navigation consistency and long-term software reliability above experimental smart features, you may still want to compare it carefully against top competitors before buying.